Dance, beautiful people. My beautiful people, I'm going to show you how my hair goes from looking like this to looking like that. Yes. But first, ha! Here she is, y'all. Here she is. Y'all miss my hair videos, huh? I know I miss doing one. It's been a little while. All right, y'all. So first, what's the first step? Step one, we put on this beautiful cap, okay? This beautiful hair cap on. The link is on my Amazon, okay? Go into my Amazon, get yourself one. I'm telling you, you don't need no glue. You don't need to blow dry it. You don't need no spray. It stays, okay? And here she is, y'all. My friend. Ooh, she is modeling for y'all, okay? She is modeling for you, okay? So this is my curly wig, okay? She's fun and sassy and just as curly as she wants to be, okay? And now, you see, it's very secure, y'all. I just put it on. Look at this. Look at this. She looks like a complete different woman already, huh? And I'm turning around right here. I'm showing you exactly how it looks like from the back, what to do. So as you can see, the wig cap is there. And then I just pull on the elastic band. You see? Boom. I secure it. It is nice and tight. It's not going anywhere, y'all. Yes. And look at this little forehead. Look at this little forehead. So, no. Too little for us. So we're going to push it back, okay? I'm just trying to basically see how I'd like to secure the wig, okay? Just kind of, playing around with it, making it more mine. All right, just setting it the way you want it to look, okay? You are the creator right here. You are the creator. You get to create your looks, all right? Ha! You are co-creating with God. Yes, we are co-creators of our lives, y'all. So, I'm just about to get this process going. And look what we got here. Step two, y'all. Or step three, huh? Who's taking notes? We are applying the glue. Yes. And if you would like to know what glue I use, if you'd like to use the link, go onto my Instagram page, DunsBeautifulPeople, all one word, and I will send you the link to this glue. Like I said, this glue is flawless, y'all. I love it. All right, and it also comes in spray too. If you guys like to use a spray, that's another option you have, to use the spray. But for some reason, I like the glue, but I'll go back to using the spray in another video. So you need to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know each time I upload a video. Because as you also know, your sister girl is going live, y'all. Some of my videos now are live, okay? So you don't want to miss that. That's your way to interact with me. And that's your way to ask me any kind of question that you may have, okay? So yes, so after I put the glue, I blow dry the hair so that the glue can, be nice and see-through, kind of like disappearing effect. And then I just, put on the wig where I want to put it. I just placed it on my forehead. Y'all know I have plenty of space. Okay, wigs love me, and I love them. All right, y'all. So you see, the front is done. Like, see how easy that was, y'all? I am saving you from going to the hair salon, spending hours. I told y'all, I went to the hair salon after my pixie cut. I went to the hair salon a few times. Girl, After having done my hair, after having been doing my hair for like 10 plus years, okay, by myself, never had to step foot at a hair salon, okay, after 10 years and going to that hair salon, that experience was not fun, y'all. That experience was not fun. I had to wait. I was there for like 3 hours, y'all. All I needed to do was a wash and styling. And I was there for 3 hours waiting the whole process, okay? 3 hours of my life that I cannot take back. That's one thing that I do not like, is wasting my time. Like time, it doesn't matter who you are, where you are. We all are given 24 hours in a day. So we got to be productive, okay? Productive. As I'm making this video right now, y'all, as I'm talking to you, I am walking. I'm on my walk. Okay? I'm walking, jogging, okay? As I am talking. Because this video was pre-recorded, y'all. So now I'm talking over it. And I'm walking, jogging, okay? So I'm always doing something, always being productive, y'all. Self-love. All right. So here we go. Going back to the video. I am, as you know, when my hair is curly, when it's the curly one, you have to use the gel. You have to use the styling gel to make your curls pop. Okay, you gotta pop them curls. Okay, y'all. But here I go to go get something to put over me. Okay, because my scrub was on. Oh yeah, by the way, over there in this video, I was about to go to work. As you all know, I am in hospice RN. She is a registered nurse, y'all. I'm also a nurse consultant. Okay. I am a speaker, a life coach. I coach people at end of life care, you know, when they have death and dying in their families, things like that. Okay. So I do a lot. I do a whole lot. But here, this is the mousse. This is a curling mousse. So anybody who's going through some rough time regarding end of life care or has any questions, I'm going to link my hospice channel. Okay, I have a hospice channel dedicated just to hospice care. Okay, the link is in the description bar. If you want to know more about hospice end of life, if you're a caregiver or taking care of somebody under hospice care, the link is right there. Click on it. All right, y'all. That being said, here I go, you know, just making sure that the hair is nicely, you know, I spray the water to wake it up. And I also, you know, use the styling gel, okay? So do you see the difference? I was just trying to show you, do you see the difference between like the right side and the left side of what you're looking at? This side right here, it's more defined. The curls are loose. And over here, this side right there, the curls were like stiff. Okay, we had some stiff curls going on, y'all. So we had to do some work to it. Okay, we had to work it. Oh, what's that sound? All right, I think I have to go. All right, so yes. So here we go, y'all. I am doing that side now. Yeah, so that side, same method, y'all. Same method. Exactly, same method. I just want you I just wanted to take my time with this video to really show you the process. All right? And make sure when you're doing this, y'all, you're just in a good mood. Okay, this makes me in a good mood. Okay, self-care is best. Okay, my ladies, this is all part of self-care, loving yourself, taking time for yourself. Okay, being the feminine goddess that you were created to be. Okay, stepping to your birthright. Okay, giving yourself A+ treatment. All right, as you see the mousse. Okay, do you see the mousse? I'm just putting the mousse on. Yay, now it's like nicely defined, y'all. We're almost done. See the back? Yes, isn't this beautiful? Look at all this beautiful, nice, thick and healthy looking curly hair, you know? Hey. So yes, y'all, we're having a staff meeting And you know your sister girl gotta come in there, represent. Yes, represent, you know, the pretty girls, the girls who takes care of ourselves. Self-care, self-love. There's nothing like it, y'all. Nothing like it. Nothing like it, y'all. Okay? So this side, as you all know, I don't really glue my side because I want to keep my edges. Yes, she does. I don't glue my side. And, you know, people will not see my side anyways, unless if I had my hair on a ponytail, which I don't. You know, so since I don't have the hair on a ponytail, there's really no need. There's really no reason to, you know, glue down my edges. So I just leave the edges up as it is. All right, that's all I do. And this part right here, who knows what I'm about to do? Tell me, who knows who is Duns Beautiful People true follower, huh? True subscribers. Tell me, who are my true friends out there? Yeah, you see? Yeah. This is a little trick I learned years ago in this hair video that I watched. You know, it's hard to define your lines. Okay, so just use your makeup, y'all. Use the same foundation that you use on your skin, and just, you know, define your line, your hair part. Okay, your hair part. See how it is more open. Okay, it's just better. You define your hair part, make it yours, y'all. Make it yours. Yes, make it yours. And this hair, I love it in the summertime, y'all. In the summertime, like, this is like my to-go hair because you could spray. Like, I bring my water bottle and I put my water bottle in my car, and I just spray the hair throughout the day. So it's like a nice mist, okay? Ooh, she's loving it. She's loving it. She's loving it. So tell me your thoughts, y'all. Subscribe, follow me. All right, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is something that you can do for your own curly hair. All right, let me know if this video was helpful to you. Subscribe, like. I will see you in the next video. Yes, mwah, yes, girl. She is loving it, okay? Yeah, she is ready for the world. Her lipstick, her makeup, her self-love. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Mwah.